What's up, YouTube? This is Angel here. Today we are going to be testing the Orb Strategy Open Range Breakout, ORB, and we're going to do it for the SPY. So we're going to do using a 5-minute time frame and then see if it was a profitable strategy for today. So starting off today, we can see that the pre-market highs, there are no kind of significant key levels, maybe this kind of 571.5, but if we start here, and we can see that here is the first range. So if we draw two lines here, okay, we get that one right there. Here's the low of the first 5 minutes. Then as we continue to play out the time, yeah, we're looking for now a breakout of the higher highs or the lows of the first 5 minutes. So you can see here that it wants to break out. And right about here at 11 o'clock, here is kind of the first test. So I would have actually bought this at this point. And then if we see if we have a 2R kind of risk reward ratio, you can see it comes up, chops up, chops up. So right here, what is the range here? So this is about 80 cents. Yeah, this is 80 cents, so 80 cents a dollar. $1.60 from here, so that would be 572.8. Nope. So technically we get stopped out here if we were to continue with this. Yeah, so we would have gotten stopped out right here, an 80 cents kind of risk, 80 cents kind of bar. And that would have been the one trade of the day. So in terms of if the Orb strategy was good today, the answer is no. We have taken one loss, and it's about kind of finding your right system. So just because today was a loser, but you followed your playbook, that counts as a win. That's a small W, because as long as the system over time is profitable, you're going to make money. So we're going to move on for the next day. Catch you guys in the next video.